Insomnia is the inability to fall asleep or stay asleep, which disrupts a fundamental human need. It's not just about the occasional restless nights, it's a chronic condition that impacts one's daily life. Let's delve deeper to better understand insomnia, its different types, and how they affect us. What is insomnia? Insomnia is a sleep disorder in which one has difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, early morning awakenings with difficulty returning to sleep, or non restorative sleep, despite adequate opportunities to sleep. It leads to daytime consequences such as fatigue, excessive sleepiness, impaired cognitive function, and mood disturbances. Types of insomnia based on duration. Acute insomnia typically lasts less than 3 months and is caused by stressful life events, travel across time zones, jet lag, changes in work schedules, or temporary medical conditions. While disruptive, acute insomnia usually resolves on its own or with minor adjustments to sleep habits. Chronic insomnia persists for at least 3 nights a week for more than 3 months. It significantly disrupts the daily functioning and well being of individuals. Based on cause, primary insomnia has no underlying medical or psychiatric condition. It is considered a standalone sleep disorder, often caused by poor sleep hygiene habits, learned sleep behaviors, for example, relying on electronics in bed, or a genetic predisposition. Secondary insomnia. This more common type of insomnia arises from another medical or mental health condition. Examples include chronic pain, anxiety, depression, sleep apnea, and hormonal imbalances. Treating these conditions can improve sleep quality. A deeper look at different types. Onset insomnia. Does it take you more than 30 minutes to drift off? Then you're suffering from sleep onset insomnia. Worrying about sleep itself can exacerbate this type, creating a vicious cycle. Maintenance insomnia. Do you wake up frequently during the night and find it hard to go back to sleep? That's maintenance insomnia, leaving you exhausted in the morning. Early morning awakening. Waking up too early and not being able to fall back asleep defines early morning awakening insomnia. This type drains your energy and leaves you sluggish all day. Mixed insomnia. This type combines difficulties with falling asleep, staying asleep, and experiencing early morning awakening. It's the most common type of chronic insomnia. Paradoxical insomnia. This is a perception based insomnia where individuals underestimate the amount of sleep they actually get. Despite feeling like they barely slept, sleep studies often reveal they slept for a reasonable amount of time. The impact of insomnia types. Each type of insomnia can have unique consequences. While acute insomnia may not severely affect daily functioning, chronic insomnia can lead to significant long term consequences on various aspects of life. Chronic insomnia does more than just leave you tired, it takes a toll on almost every part of life. Physical health. Insomnia weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. It can also contribute to chronic health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Mental health. Chronic sleep deprivation can exacerbate anxiety and depression. The frustration of not sleeping can further worsen mood and lead to difficulty managing stress. Cognitive function. Insomnia impairs concentration, memory, and decision making abilities. Daily tasks become challenging, and work or school performance can suffer. Social life. Feeling drained and irritable can affect relationships and social interactions. The fear of not sleeping well can lead to avoiding situations that involve staying overnight. Understanding your type of insomnia is the first step toward better sleep. By identifying the underlying cause and insomnia type, you can take targeted steps to improve sleep quality and reclaim your well being. Additional points to consider. Age. Insomnia becomes more common with age. Menopause in women and age related medical conditions can contribute to sleep problems. Gender. Women are more prone to insomnia than men due to hormonal fluctuations. Genetics. There may be a genetic predisposition to insomnia. If a close family member experiences insomnia, you may be at a higher risk.